vehicle dito.
Ito na ba yung mga assistant ko? Ayun
Na, mga security mo. Yeah, it's our security for stay here in Seattle. They're going to protect us now while shopping across, di ba? We have lots of, lots of, what do you call this? Marami kami pinamili sa Ross. We need security. Ito. Darts itong inuwa ko eh.
Ano ito? Cafe?
Ito bagel.
Ito, butter. Tapos ito, cream cheese.
Okay, sarap po yung morning dito. Kanina umuulan pero nawala na yung ulan. So, we are here now, enjoying again our, last few days, couple of days here in Seattle. Okay, ayun lang.
Nandiyan na yung security ko. Pwede na tayong umalis.
Yeah, pwede na tayo
mag-shopping.
mag-shopping.
Ilan na ba yan? Tatlo yan eh. Dadalawa, kulang pa lang isa.
Kulang pa. Okay, we'll wait for more security so we can go shopping na sa Ross. Right? Okay. Welcome to Seattle's Public Library. Grabe library dito. Parang space shuttle. Laki. Ganda ng architecture. Okay, let's get inside. We are now here in Seattle. This is today's October 8, 2024. And tataas po ng building dito. Ito pa yung Central Business District po, no? Or CBD here in Seattle. Ayan po, may mga security waiting po. Okay, let's go. Let's get inside. Yeah. Okay, we're now inside, no? The second floor of the Seattle's Public Library. Okay, ang ganda ng ano nila, no? Ceiling nila. No? Puro glass, made of glass. Okay, other side of the street lang pala to, no? Okay. So yun, maganda pala rito, love. Hindi na maganda yung sa likod, yung harapan niya, no? Okay. So, nakita nyo naman architecture dito. Talagang namang special, no? Okay, pati yung construction ho nito, no? Imagine nyo, no? Massive na puro glass ho to, no? Hanggang itaas. Impressive. Okay. So, let's walk. So, yun nga po, no? Hindi po tayo reader, no? So, let's, ano na lang po, no? Let's enjoy na lang yung walking and seeing books. Because I hate reading. You know what? Why I hate reading? Because it takes so much of my time. I'm a very outgoing person. I like to go out and, of course, ride and, of course, drink beer na lang instead of reading books. I like drinking beer instead of reading books. No? For me, it's a waste of time. But you see, that's one thing I regret in my life. No? I failed, no, to read books because reading books gives you knowledge. Yes, it also gives you wisdom and power. Yeah, so that's one thing I regret, no, and missed in my life. Reading books, good books, of course, because there are many books, no. Meron namang books na puro fantasy lang, mga comics, no. Books na dapat binasa ko yung something bibigay sa atin ng of course information, knowledge, thoughts, and of course there's ideas, no. Okay, walk muna tayo. Oh, ito. Pero paano? escalator rito. Escalator pala. Kilometer lang. Haba. Yun. Grabe na. Oops. Oops. Left and right, puro books pa rin. No? Wow, another escalator, oh. Wow naman. Yung escalator. Okay. Okay. What's in here? What's book spiral? Alright. Okay, another books here, no? I don't know what is books spiral. Okay. One thing for sure, no? They are papers, no? With letters inside. Okay. Ay, escalator tayo. Let's go.
Okay, thank you so
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, this is the highest point, no? Here in this library. Okay. Hi, love. Oh. Tatalon daw tayo dyan. Hindi. Shh! Grabe ka, no? Alarm sound, oh. Diyan. Sabi niya ito. Okay.
Doon dumaan yung mga ano eh.
Ha?
Doon dumaan yung dalawa.
Yeah, ito yung highest point, no? Galing, no? Ha? Lula, no? Ha? Okay, this is the highest point, no? Here in this library. Okay, there's another room upstairs, no? Yeah, so nice naman here. So nice naman. Okay. It's good, it's good, that's good. It's good here. Okay, let's go. Tutulak mo, nakita mo nakalagay. Ayun, usay mo. Ayun.
Hindi, nag-ano sila.
Ha?
Yung baka dyan dumaan.
Nakita mo?
Yung babae sa yung lalaki.
Oh,
Yung kasama tayo natin.
ganon.
Dyan sila dumaan.
Okay, good. Okay. So nice naman here. Ito, no? So ganda naman here. Okay, welcome. Here's fifth level. Okay. Ay, mga DVD nila ba? Ay, mga movies, oh. Ganun may lumabas. Wow. Ganda rito. Can watch all the movies, no? Galing, oh. TV series. Movies. Yeah, labasan na yun, oh.
Pero hindi dito tayo.
Hindi. Dito tayo lumabas doon na iba naman.